The Essential Survey has displayed that DJI Mini 2 best drones under 250G. It is the best quality quadcopters in 2022, suitable for lightweight and wind conditions with a foldable design. Considering its performance and price, it is difficult to find another drone model in the market. It should be your choice to have a fun flying drone. Watch this video to realize more about the best drone under 250 grams with details of DJI Mini 2, and choose the best one according to your budget. Number 5. Dirk D10. If you are looking for a more featured drone in the cheap price range, the 5.8 ounces lightweight Dirk D10 drone is better for you. It's almost like the Holy Stone HS110D drone. The Dirk D10 is one of the best drones under 250G, but considering the price, it is not difficult to operate in the sky and know the features of its software. It comes with a 1080p HD camera first-person view, FPV, transmission for capturing clear aerial photos and quality video. It will make it easier for the customer to work with fulfilling your photography hobby. It has a headless mode feature to prevent the drone from crashing in complex situations, which will send a signal if there is a mechanical fault, including reduced battery life. The One Key Start and Landing drone has a maximum flight time of about 24 to 28 minutes with 2 modular batteries. Each battery has a maximum charging life of 13 to 15 minutes. The modular battery can complete the total flight at ease. The best drone under $100 comes with some advanced features, which are available on expensive quadcopters. Features will help you become an expert pilot. The Dirk D10 comes with a folding case, priced around $25 on the market. Another drone of D50 Dirk brands weighs under 250 grams. The cheap affordable rate from modern users comes in strong quality. Number 4. Holy Stone HS110D. Are you a beginner drone user interested in having fun? Want to fulfill the hobby of owning a good brand drone in the cheap price range? Then the Holy Stone HS110D is the best quadcopter for you. The lighter drone, which weighs 145G, comes in a visually pleasing black color. It will give you a maximum flight of about 18 to 20 minutes with 2 at-ease manageable modular batteries. This sweet drone, which can fly indoors, comes with protection guards, so you don't have to be afraid that it will break in your fun time. The best indoor drone under 250G Holy Stone HS110D function FPV real-time transmission, 1080p HD camera, gravity sensor, voice control, hint control, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3D flip RTF2 battery features like the most expensive drones on the market. HS110D, with its many functions of expensive drones, may not have the same high-level performance, but it will be easier for you to become an expert pilot. Make gestures and the camera will start to work. Paper means recording video, scissors means taking photo. Gravity sensor mode allows the user to control the drone by holding and moving the smartphone accordingly. Draw a route on your app, then the drone will fly along the path you set. Add much fun to your flight. Number 3. Contixo F22 Plus. The 8.5 ounces Contixo F22 is the best drone for under $200. It's almost like Holy Stone brand drones under $200. The drone is fully assembled so that adult or beginner pilots can start flying without doing anything. However, it is not a very useful drone for kids. The best drone under 250G considering the price of the portable design Contixo F22. The 4K GPS quadcopter drone comes with an HD FPV camera. It has a 120 FOV lens and a 90 degrees vertical adjustable camera that behaves like many expensive drones. The drone with the latest GPS will be able to fly behind your bike or car with the help of the Follow Me feature. It will help to diversify your selfie image or video footage, and will return like a pet bird with one click of the return home button. The Contixo F22 has the near highest 40 minutes flight time with 2 intelligent batteries, one of which can serve up to 20 minutes. Intelligent batteries' full charging time of 120 minutes will not seem so annoying. 2K Wi-Fi camera with 4K images. App's LED screen makes it easy to understand battery power status. Number 2. Holy Stone HS120D. Holy Stone HS120D, best drone under $300, weighing 219 grams. This lightweight FPV drone with a camera is capable of 1080p HD live video. It will make your social media live video more amazing. Best drones under $250. Holy Stone HS120D come with a carrying case with a company sticker. Considering its price in the market, it will not be less than $35. It will give a fashionable feeling with ensuring safety while carrying the drone. Its 2K FHD camera feature with image stabilization is capable of capturing high-resolution images or videos. The 5G FPV transmission and 90 degrees adjustable lens allow you to take shots from different angles, and you will get your desired perfect footage. It comes with a GPS-assisted intelligent flight system, a feature that is important for all advanced pilot or trainee drone users. If there is a mechanical fault or low battery charge during the flight, it is possible to avoid losing the drone by landing it by pressing the return home key button. And follow me mode will give you a funny feeling. 18 minutes per battery. Holy Stone HS120D 2 battery gives you a maximum flight time of 34 to 36 minutes. 120 minutes maximum battery charging time will not feel so annoying. And this lightweight Holy Stone HS120D can fly at ease in the blue sky like other expensive drones without FAA registration. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. After the release of the compact drone DJI Mini 2, it gets enough acceptance for 249 grams of lightweight. It is the best cheap drone in the market according to its amazing feature. The DJI Mini 2 drone with a compact design comes with a 3-axis gimbal 4K camera. Aerial photography quality is impressive enough to help create beautiful profiles on social media. The Level 5 wind resistance excellent drone comes with a 31-minute max flight time, which you won't find in many other expensive drones. Wind resistance also allows beginner pilots to avoid drones being destroyed in bad weather. It comes with a 4K smooth video capture system. Professional drone DJI Mini 2 with 10 km video transmission capability will give you ultra-clear quality footage. For any video content creator, this is the best drone under $250 in 2022. It will also be the first choice foldable drone for travelers due to its easy carrying capacity. DJI Mini 2, a drone with advanced quality images and videos within the budget. It has intelligent mode and quick-shot advanced features. Anyone from expert to beginner pilot can capture movie-like shots with just a few taps using the quick-shot feature. It is the best camera drone for under $500.